Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how you can scan your documents into notes in your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Notes app on your iPhone. And after opening your Notes app, here you can see there are two different storage on my phone. The first one is iCloud and the second one is on my iPhone. So if you want to save in your iCloud, you can tap on the notes on the iCloud. So if you want to save in your iPhone, you can tap on the notes that is under my iPhone. So I'm going to save it on my iPhone. So I'm going to tap on this notes that is under on my iPhone. After tapping on it, now tap on the edit like button that you can see in the bottom right corner right here. So in order to scan the document, what you're going to do is tap on this particular icon that you can see right here. So after tapping on it here, you can see the option of scan documents. Simply tap on it. So after tapping on it here, you can see your camera has been opened and you can now set your camera on the document that you want to scan just like this. And when you're done adjusting it, you can tap on this white circle right here in order to set it. Just like this, you can see your document has been set and you can adjust it however you like, just like this. And when you are satisfied with it, you can tap on Keep Scan. So if you want to keep on scanning, you can do this process again. But if you're done with the single one, you can tap on the Save option right here. And like this, you can see your document has been saved in your notes on your iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.